This ride took place in July of 2014. I only just posted now because I didn't want the roads to get destroyed by the mudders. We went out this past Saturday, I think it was September the 6th, and all of these areas are now dried up, except for the Beaver Dam. So just have a look at how much water is on these roads. It's the most I've seen since I've been riding in the Nisbet 2004.
Yeah.
The young fellow driving the Silver Rhino is Chris. First time out quadding. I think he did a good job. I told him to take it real easy going through the mud so he doesn't rip everything up, and he followed the instructions real well.
Look.
Here we are at the big washout. Beavers have dammed this up. As long as he stays on that side, he should be fine. It's pretty deep though. First Yamaha through. Oh! It does drop off there, doesn't it? Okay, here comes the young guy. Let's see what his driving skills like. That's no problem. As long as you ever in four-wheel drive. Probably even make it through in two-wheel drive. But it just bounced off there. Drop off there pretty good. Awesome.
We're on Miners Lake Road coming from the gravel pit. It's the first time I've ever seen water in this much quantity on this road.
That's deep. I know.
This is Miners Creek. We had a lot of water here. The beavers were not damming, or somebody opened up the dam, so we had a lot of flow. This past Saturday when we went through, it was down to a trickle, didn't even go over the tires to the rim.